Britt, Craig, ready or not? Yeah. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to camp, and today is June 5th. June 5th. And watch it be like, no, I think it's the 5th. Yeah. So I'm going to Signal Mountain. I went last year and it was super fun. And it is 11 o'clock right now, and registration is at from 1 to 2, so we should get there in time. But it's gonna be super fun. I just want to vlog this whole week. So I just looked at the calendar, and today's the 4th, not the 5th. I don't know, just so you know. Hi, baby. So yeah, I'm actually really hungry right now. So hey guys, me and my friend Maddie are here on the swings, and we're at camp, and it's super hot, but we're swinging because it cools us down. And then we have
the registration thing right now, and
yeah,
worship
pretty
center.
soon. Yeah. So I think lots of people are making their way over there because it's like 3:08 right now. Do you want to head over there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going over there. And guys, let me tell you, this is super awkward, like trying to vlog, and
Looks like you're FaceTiming somebody.
yeah, true, but it's like super awkward because I'm just talking. People are gonna be like, what the heck are you doing? So yeah, we're just hanging out, but it's only the first day, so we have a lot more fun stuff to be doing. So we didn't have a lot of free time today, but we mainly have like a service and just kind of like get to know people in our cabins.
Yeah.
But we know a lot of people in our cabins, so
I look like a nerd.
No, she looks super cute.
I'm gonna take my hair down.
So, and oh yeah, guys, I forgot my makeup and I'm super salty. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Not. Cause like I wanted to look halfway cute, you know?
I have some I can borrow though.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
my
God.
face pattern might not be the hair color.
Well, I don't really normally wear foundation, just
I
eyeshadow.
don't have foundation, but I have
Okay.
a Tarte palette and a Too Faced peanut butter and jelly.
Are they like brown natural colors? Awesome. You're
My peanut butter
amazing.
one is.
Awesome. You're amazing. And my mom said to look in my bag again, but I already looked like a lot.
Maybe once you take some of your stuff out tonight.
Yeah. So I'll vlog while we're in there because this is really getting awkward.
Oh, my.
And we have to jump over this. So, see ya.
Just saw a movie and it made me think my life ain't Hollywood. Love don't come that easily. And when I try so hard and just can't get it right, it still amazes me.
On the count of 3, we're going to throw this in the air. We're celebrating the fact that we have found these lost items.
We found the lamb of
So
God.
when I do this, I'm videoing it. It's going on Instagram. I'll do so. Yeah, now you guys are excited. Now you're excited. It's going on Instagram. So get as excited as you can when we throw this up in the air. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
I feel like it's all over my hat.
It's all over your head.
Oh my gosh.
It's all over me.
It's all over my phone. You look so cute. We have to take a picture. Oh, I just got that on my lips. Guys, this is failing. Ew, it tastes really bad. Okay, update. We just got done eating dinner, and we are gonna go to the room. I don't know. We have like an hour before service. Oh, more like an hour and 15 minutes, I think. Because yeah, we have like an hour and 15 minutes.
It
before
looks
we-
like my head is infected.
I keep putting more stuff on my face so it'll look better.
If that happened, I
should like do something with it, like to it. I don't know, make it stay. Yeah, that'd be cute. There's no more chicken. No more chicken? So, yeah, that's the update. We just got done eating. So, I don't like making the videos extra long because then I have to edit them out. And it takes forever to edit, and I hate editing.
Well, I can edit it for you tonight. We can do it tonight.
Yeah, that'd be fun together.
Yeah.
Oh my
There's
gosh.
this one Snapchat filter. It's like you have to get the strawberries into your mouth, and I was gonna like, and it wouldn't go over that. I was like, what am I doing?
Yeah, so I'm gonna end this right now, and then you'll probably see me getting ready for service. So, bye.
Here we go.
Okay guys, so we're taking that to our cabin. Just kidding, we're actually not. But we're going to go to our cabin and see if it's locked, and if it's locked, then we're gonna go to basketball. Look at the way the sun is doing. See? Look at the way the sun is on the camera.
Oh, me?
Yeah, like on the camera.
That's cool.
It's super cool. So tomorrow we're gonna hammock because that's super fun. But
In the morning.
yes, in the morning. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the other side because I vlog with this hand, so you can get it too. So that's pretty much our plans. I feel super awkward. Everyone stares at me like, "What the crap are you doing?" It's like, it's called It's called YouTube, and you get paid for it. So no, I don't have enough subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more litrified stuff for you. So yeah, we have to go all the way to cabin 3. We were in 12 last year.
I was right there. Nope, I was right there.
Yep, cabin 12. So I'm trying to get all this pink stuff off my face, and it's really not working that well. I'm gonna look super blush and bashful.
That actually is a really cute outfit.
It's literally not coming off.
Is that what? Did your shirt? Is that what
So we're picking out an outfit right now, or Madison's picking out my outfit, and I'm gonna pick out her outfit. So that should be super fun. So I have this really cute striped, it's white and blue striped shirt with like big angel sleeves. I think I'm gonna wear that for the block. Wait and save that for the block party because it's like my favorite outfit that I brought. So I'm trying to figure out my second favorite outfit. So what was your second favorite outfit?
This one.
The green one?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's super comfy, so that's a good thing. And then should I wear, okay, I have white Converse, and then I have those sandals that I wear all the time. Have you seen them? They're pink, rose gold color.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, so should I wear the rose gold sandals or the Converse with them?
Which one's more?
I think the sandals.
Because I'm wearing sandals, so I'm wearing sandals.
Yeah, yeah.
She's configured my outfit.
So we're super excited. So now I'm just gonna go down, I guess, pick out her outfit, and then I'll get dressed. And then we are gonna do makeup, which will be fun. And I forgot my makeup, so she's gonna let me borrow hers. And like, out of all the things you could forget, why did I forget my makeup? Like, really?
Say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog.
So yeah, see you guys later. Madison just ate her makeup. Show them, it's the peanut butter and jelly palette.
The Too Faced peanut butter and jelly, and I just ate it.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious.
Okay, I'm gonna go with eyeshadow, but I can.
Pretty. Okay, so this looks good. This Tarte palette's super pretty. I might, if I like this, I might buy this for myself.
I thought you were gonna say you were gonna take it. I was like,
No! No, honey. No, but because like I need some. I get like the same palette every time. I know I sound. Every time it runs out, I just get the same one. Cause it's L'Oreal, and it's the nudes. It's like the rip-off version of the
nudes.
of the, what's it called? Urban Decay Naked palette. Anyway, yeah, okay. But so I've not been vlogging, and it's like almost, what time is it?
10:40.
Oh, I look like a monster.
Now that I have
So, I just handed to you guys. I feel drunk because I'm really tired and I want to go to bed, but you know, we have to go to Fun Time, which actually isn't fun. So, I'll vlog Fun Time, some of it. We got these. This is nasty, actually. Yeah, but it's not a Frappuccino. It's like flavored milk. So, where'd Chloe go?
I'm right here.
Hi, Chloe. You can't even see you. So we're doing that. We played ping pong, right? Ping pong. It's called ping pong.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did that. Okay, she probably actually did, but you know, it's fine. So service was great. And today was just the first day. We have so many more days. Like, not really, but
Yeah, we'll be hanging out together all week.
yeah. So
Thursday we have to run.
I'm doing like a really bad angle, but you know, it's okay. We're doing what?
We have to run on Thursday.
Yay, we get to run!
Orphans.
Oh yeah, that's a good cause. Oh yeah, that's a good idea too.
Rather donate.
But what?
Then run. We'd rather donate a $5 canteen card.
True. Chloe, do you like running?
Love it.
Okay, bye guys.
Good night.
Guys, we're ending the vlog here. So, we're actually editing and I have such a bad headache. I just want to go to sleep.
Do you need some Advil?
No, I'm fine. I just literally need sleep and water. So, we're
Looking like a full course meal.
look at them caterpillars. So we're gonna finish editing and we're gonna end this vlog. And I have pink under my nails. It's fine, and my nails are ugly, so yeah, just ignore those. Where are you going? Where'd you go? So, yeah. But I don't know what to say. Just good night. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be really long, and I had to delete a ton of my pictures because I ran out of.
And we have to have storage on her phone.
Yeah, I ran out of storage, so I did it for you. And I'm just showing my eyes because I look really ratchet.
We have no makeup on.
Yeah.
Blinding. Oh no. Hide your eyes.
See the face of the Hannah. Oh, it's blinding.
Calls me one day.
Uh-oh.
I'll find